Alright, so this is the Nelson bot. I challenged him, so let's see. Okay, it's usual king's pawns opening. You would develop your knights and stuff. So I did, and I took this pawn because it's a free pawn. It like attacks the queen and all. And then here he moved obviously there to attack the rook if and it would be a bad check. So instead of that, I would move my bishop here, which attacks this queen and prevents any like attack on the rook. Pretty good so far. Oops, I made 10 blunders. We don't talk about that. Or maybe that was Nelson, I think. I don't know. Nelson moves back. I attack forward, so I take his bishop because that's a trade. Move my knight back, and I take that pawn. He did not want to take back, so I take it again. And then I want a trade, like knights and bishops, so I'll take that. And then he will take that with this queen. No, I move my pawn, so like he can't move further. I take that to check him, which distracts him. He cannot attack my queen. Unfortunately, I didn't realize that he's gonna fork me. If he moves his knight here, he'll check me and he'll take my rook. So I checked him back, and I took his rook. I took that, checked him with the bishop, took his other rook, and now he's in a completely losing position. And 5 more moves. Let's see what happens. So I'm in a completely winning position in white. I take his rook, and I'm taking everything he has. And then Nelson decided to go full on draw. This man got so desperate because I was about to check. I was about to destroy him. He's gonna take every piece of his, leave him with severe emotional damage. And the game ended with a draw because he decided to go full on like draw mode because he was completely losing. So that's it.